Hello and welcome to Wagon Investments, your one-stop solution for trading and investments. So we are a company which are providing predictive solutions for all the asset classes. In fact, like forex, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Um, this is our website, and this is our Quora where we are answering the people. So if you click on our Quora here, the first one, the first link, we will land up in Quora, and this is where we are providing you the answers, answers to your questions. Now the second thing that we have is in the Quora is, if you see here, you go in our Quora in the second link. This is our space. So here in this, I urge you to follow this because sometimes we do give free predictions which are time stamped, which I will discuss further, um, which are all time stamped. The second thing, just hold a moment. So the second thing is, okay, just please hold, bear with me. So this is so the next thing that is, I would like to tell something about us. So I have been a trader from last 12 years, where I have learned everything, like from babypips.com is the website, where I have learned all the theories which are there. But certainly market doesn't react like this. If the only one theory was always correct, everyone would be a millionaire, billionaire. So it is not the, you can't say that I'm only going to trade this theory only, like Fibonacci, and I will be just a blind follower. It doesn't happen like this. So after reading all the theories and then applying and then blowing up the accounts, we have come to the conclusion that these are the best of the theories which are there, which you can find in learning, as you can see here, learning trading basics and trading intermediate. Please go through this, the theories, and they are all visually defined. They are all visually defined, and you can understand it quite easily. If there are some questions, you can write to us at learn@wagoninvestments.com. So our aim is you to provide the best predictions so you can create money, and when you create money, we also create money, because once you have created an account, we the profit share is 65 to 35. That means you will send us 35% and you will get 65% of the profits. I'm talking about the profits here, and the predictions that you will receive will be time bound, and the best and the very strict money management rules needs to be followed here. You will receive the stop losses, and you will never, so we say to the students, to the people, that you will never put more than 5% of your capital at risk. So this is how we will the people with us trade. The second thing we are providing is, we are providing an opportunity for the people to earn with us. If you go to services, earn, and where the people can earn money, earn cryptos just by uh, playing games, seeing advertisements, and answering surveys. The details of that are here in the services and earn section. The most important, the major part is the investment and trade. That is why we are here. So if you go on home and you click on invest and trade, you can see very clearly that this is the problems that we have faced with the brokers. I have told here everything what it is. What it is. Then as you can see, um, this is uh, this is our most trusted forex broker, eToro, as there the commissions sometimes are 0% for the stocks, and the most important thing is that they are regulated by FCA, which is UK, and CySEC Cyprus, which are the one of the biggest financial regulators in the world, and they have been around uh, for quite a long time. It's 15 plus years. And the best part about eToro is that you can trade as many asset classes. There are many asset classes, and the deposit is also not that too big. So this is good. It's just $200. So that is why we trust this broker. Where so once you are there, you need to go here, click on there. When once you have studied the learning part, from trading basics and intermediate, you in the learning section, which is, I will just show you in fact, which is here in the learning, trading basics and trading intermediate. Once you have learned from here, you will come here and you need to create an account, which is so you can trade. So when you click on this will be opened, and you click on join now, and they will ask you the KYC details, and then when it is done, you need to fund the account, and then send us an email to info@wagoninvestments.com, and saying predictive newsletters. So you will get 2 weeks of predictions for free on this one. Plus there are very successful traders that you can follow as well, which will be easier. Now this broker, if you see, this broker um, is an unregulated broker, but Eagle FX. But the good part is it has lots of leverage, and the money is from BTC to BTC. I mean the BTC wallet to BTC wallet. So there are no intermediaries here. So it's quite a good broker actually, the Eagle FX. But eToro is for the serious traders. So you then you can see on the learning section, as I've told you that, sorry. So these what are airdrops now. If you see airdrops now, airdrops um, are let's say are free marketing budget from the company, which is just going to be launched. So to create a buzz, the company needs people, and that is why it gives free coins to the people. So there are some things that you need to have in the airdrops. So those things are, you will need a Twitter account, you will need a Telegram. These two things are an absolute necessity if you want to get involved in airdrops. But please bear in mind that airdrops, 80% of the airdrops, I can say that they are fake, and we do our research before putting them up here. Like the previous one, right now we are going with Cow and Exo to Moon. These are the two this which we think which we have talked with them, and they've told, we have done our research, we have faith on this airdrops. So we are mining on the coin also, with the details on that you can see in the blog. Now what is our blog? This is FAQs. Please go through it, it will be better, and the learning as well, because we just don't want blind followers. We want informed traders, so they know why we have put a buy and a sell. So now if you go to our blogs, so this is where we write sometimes here about the most happening things about the equities, about the financial markets. Now if you see this here, uh, in the post is of June 14, 2021. So now the question, so this will answer your question, why should you invest with us? As you can see clearly here, we have given three predictions for USD CHF, NZD USD, and cotton, which you will find this here when you go through this. So they were all correct to the time. So sometimes there are mistakes as well, because at the end of the day, this is a market, and we have to respect the market trends and trends. And but confidently we can say that our predictions are like 80% correct, and 20% there are wrong predictions as well. So this is what we are, Wagon Investment. This was just an um, intro uh, introduction video, and the next series that we will be starting will be for learning, so you people can understand better, and take informed decision. So this is who we are, and thank you. And as just for a moment, you can just, when you go there, you can go to the contacts pages, and you can also contacts, or in fact from the down you can directly send us a message to the emails. Plus, if you want to chat with us, it is in WhatsApp. It's down, the link is there, you just click it and it is open. So please feel free to call us up, and this is who we are. Thank you very much.